Hello friends. Next question from BARC PYQ series. This question is from digital electronics and we have this given circuit. They asked us if the value of A and B is 1, then what will be the value of Y. So first we have to calculate the expression for Y. This is our two wires A and B, and we have two connections for AND gate and these two AND gates and two connections for the OR gate. We see the wire of A is in this AND gate and the wire of B with the NOT gate. That means the value of B is B bar here, and the value of E, because it is a NOT gate, it will be A bar here. What does NOT gate does? NOT gate inverts the value. Inverts. If we have A value A here, then at this point we have the value of A bar, which inverts the value. Let us get the expression for Y here. From here we'll get A B bar, and AND gate simply multiplies, and here we also get A bar B. Now by adding with the help of the OR gate, we will get the expression A B bar plus A bar B. This is same as the XOR gate. Now let us see what will be the value of A and B. A is 1 and B is 1 bar, plus A is 1, here it will be 1 bar and B is 1. 1 bar is 0. So 1 dot 0 plus 0 dot 1. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. We can also verify it with the truth table of XOR gate. We see if A and B both are 1 1, then the value of Y will be 0. Hence the answer is Y is equals 0. Thank you so much.